Hello guys, ito ang guest ko sa Aklan. May conference sila dito, side trip sila to Chocolate Hills. Sa dinaan ko sila sa Pangas Falls, total 30 pesos lang ang entrance and we still have time. Wala na silang time para mag Lubok Floating Restaurant, half day lang kasi sila. But I guess they enjoyed their trip with me. Nakarating lang sila ng Chocolate Hills, Tarsier, dito sa Pangas Falls. Hindi na sila tumigil sa man-made forest. At I guess mga teacher sila. Hindi ko na natanong ng maayos at paspasan lang ang biyahe. Thank you for hiring me for today and hope you will enjoy the rest of your stay here in Bohol. That's how wonderful Pangas Falls, guys. Masarap maglangoy-langoy dyan. Pwede pa mag-dive-dive dyan. Malalim naman. Yung iba doon pa talaga sa itaas nagda-dive. Kabisado na nila kasi yung lalim. Kaso ang nakakatakot dyan pag nadulas ka, mabagok ang ulo mo, tapos ang buhay mo, tapos ang maligayang araw pag hindi ka na matay. Anyway, thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot. And please press the bell button as well, so you would get notified if I have uploaded a new video. Thank you for watching and hope to see you on my next video guys.